Good morning. So today, guys, I'd like to talk about what is division. A lot of kids confuse division and multiplication, and understandably so, because division and multiplication are kind of related, and I'll show you why in just a sec. So let's go ahead and look at this problem that we have here. After Halloween, there are three kids and there's a teacher who has a bag that's full of 96 candies. And the teacher is asking herself, if I give each kid a fair share of marshmallows, or if I give each kid the same amount of marshmallows, how many will each kid be able to have? Well, there's a lot of different strategies that we could use to solve this problem. But probably the easiest strategy that we could use is to divvy up. In other words, the teacher could take her marshmallows from her bag and she could give one by one. One for you, one for you, and one for you. We call this divvying. Now, doing this makes sure that each kid can get the equal number of marshmallows. Now, the teacher would keep going. One for you, one for you, one for you, until all the marshmallows were gone. Okay? Now, that's what division is. It's seeing, first of all, how many of a number can go into a certain group or a certain amount of groups. Now, you'll notice in this case that we have three kids, or in other words, we have three groups that we want to split up our marshmallows in. Now, another way we can look at division is that we can get rid of our kids, and instead, let's say that the teacher knows that she is going to give 32 marshmallows. She knows that each group is going to be able to have 32 marshmallows. And she wants to ask herself, if I have 96 marshmallows all together, how many people can I give 32 marshmallows to? And this is our other way to imagine division, is how many groups can be made? How many groups can be made if you have a number that goes into that groups? In other words, if I know 32 marshmallows are going into each group, then how many groups can I make? All right. So this is two ways that we can think of division. How many of a number can go into a certain number of groups? Just like the kids that we showed before. The other way is how many groups can be made if we know the number that goes into each group. Alrighty. So in a further video, I'm going to teach you a useful strategy for how we could figure out this problem. Okie doke.